So I'm just going to show you how to change the blade on a rotary cutter. The rotary cutting blades are very sharp, but they are quite soft and easily damaged. You could damage them either by catching the corner of your ruler, or sometimes if you run over a pin, it'll just leave a little notch in there so that the blade no longer cuts evenly. So to change the blade, first of all, you have to take the old blade off. In order to do that, hold the rotary cutter like this and turn it over, which exposes the nut and the washer, and then we turn it back and carefully take out the keep there and remove the blade. So we're going to do the reverse with the new blade. That goes on here like that. It does actually have writing on it, so that is a little indicator. Keep the writing so that you can see it. Hold it like that, put the washer back. It does actually have a definite groove in which you to place it, and then the little nut goes on the back. Tighten it gently, and there you are. Two things: if you've got any bits left, you haven't done it right. And remember, you do need to be able to see the blade on the front here, and your safety catch will run on and off.